Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn to count numbers 1 to 20. Kids class name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, green color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O and 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2, the numbers of 2, T, W, O, 2. Kids now 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color, T, H, R, W, 3, 4, the numbers of 4, and again use blue color. It's night of 5, the numbers of 5, and again use blue color. Kids night of 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color, S, I, X, 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7, the numbers of 7. Kids night of 8, the numbers of 8, and use brown color, EIGHT, 8. 9, the numbers of 9, and again use brown color. Kids night of 10, the numbers of 10, T, E, and 10, and again use brown color. Kids night of 11, the numbers of 11, and use green color. Kids night of 12, the numbers of 12, and again use green color. Kids night of 13, the numbers of 13, and use black color. 14, the numbers of 14, and again use black color. 15, the numbers of 15, and use black color. Kids night of 16, the numbers of 16, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. Kids night of 18, the numbers of 18, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. Kids last draw 20, the numbers of 20, and again use blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.